Hey there! Welcome to this super simple guide on how to download WhatsApp, no matter what device you're using. If you're looking to download WhatsApp, whether it's on Android, iPhone, or your computer, I've got you covered. We'll walk through each step together, so you can start chatting with friends and family in just a few minutes. Let's break it down step by step and get you chatting in no time. No tech skills required, just follow along. First up, Android users, this one's for you. Grab your Android phone and open up the Google Play Store. That's the colorful triangle icon you'll find on your home screen or in your app drawer. In the search bar at the top, type WhatsApp Messenger. Make sure you spell it right so you find the real app quickly. Make sure you pick the one developed by WhatsApp LLC. It's the official app. You'll see millions of downloads and the familiar green logo. Tap it, hit install, and wait just a moment. The download and installation should only take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, tap open, accept the terms and conditions, and enter your phone number to verify your account. You'll get a text message with a code. Just enter that to confirm. That's it. You're ready to start messaging, sharing photos, and joining group chats with your contacts. Now, if you're on an iPhone, it's just as easy, maybe even easier. Head to the App Store and tap the search icon at the bottom. Type in WhatsApp Messenger and look for the official app in the results. Look for the official app. Again, it's by WhatsApp LLC. You'll recognize the green speech bubble logo. Tap the cloud icon or the Get button to download. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. Once it's finished, open the app, agree to the terms, and verify your number just like on Android. Enter the code you receive via SMS and you're all set. Simple as that. Now you can send messages, make calls, and share moments with your friends. Alright, what if you want WhatsApp on your computer? Maybe you prefer typing on a big keyboard, or want to keep up with chats while working. On your PC or Mac, open a browser and go to whatsapp.com/download. This is the official WhatsApp website, so it's safe and secure. Choose the right download for your system, Windows or Mac. Click the button that matches your computer. Once the file downloads, install it like any other app. Just double-click the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Launch WhatsApp on your computer, and you'll see a big QR code on the screen. This is how you'll link your phone and computer. Now grab your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then tap Link Devices, and select Link a Device. This lets you connect your WhatsApp account to your computer. Just scan that QR code with your phone, and boom, your chats appear on the big screen. You can now send and receive messages right from your computer. If you don't want to install anything on your computer, no worries. There's an even quicker way. You can use WhatsApp Web, which works right in your browser. No downloads or installations needed. Just visit web.whatsapp.com in your browser. You'll see a QR code on the page, ready to be scanned. You'll see a QR code. Use the same linked devices feature on your phone to scan it, and you're good to go. Your chats will instantly sync to your browser window. Quick recap? Let's summarize everything so you don't miss a step. On Android, open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp Messenger, install, and verify your number. On iPhone, open the App Store, search, tap Get, and set up your account. On PC or Mac, download from whatsapp.com, install, and link with your phone using the QR code. And on any browser, just go to web.whatsapp.com, scan the QR code, and you're connected instantly. Now you know exactly how to get WhatsApp running, no matter what device you use. It's quick, safe, and totally free. If this helped you out, hit like, and get ready to connect with friends and family around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.